All right, hey, happy Monday to you guys. I don't know about where y'all are, but it is cold here in New Orleans, believe it or not, in the 30s. So we're gonna warm up a little lighter today. Just gonna do 10 minutes walking this morning, 10 minutes jogging, and we're gonna get a little more elaborate upstairs with the workout. See you soon. All right, hey guys, that was a good 20-minute warm up and run. Nice little jog, got myself going. Today on a Monday, we're gonna do a little bit of everything, a little bit of body movement, a little bit of lifting, a little bit of ab work. I'm gonna build in one long 5-minute segment. Take your 90 seconds break in between, 3 rounds. We'll see you soon. And this one, just go get it. Blast it, make it fast, make it fun. All right, that was a blast, guys. You got a little bit of everything there. Happy Monday to you. Stretch a little bit. Thanks to Octane for rocking those segments with us, man. I love that Sirius app and that Sirius channel. So let's go get them on Wednesday. See you soon.